Welcome back. Now news from sports. Baroda Barons caused a major upset by winning the ONGC Intersectoral 2020 cricket tournament on Friday. Baroda, without any Ranji players in their team, defeated favourites Mumbai Matadors by 2 wickets in the final at GCA ground in Porvorim.
And that's a beautiful shot by that guy. This shot भी सच्ची गेंद और गेंद चारों के लिए हरी को सब शॉट एक शॉट से गेंद से घुमाया बढ़िया बुलेट शॉट इसी जल्दी में शॉट से शुरुआत किया है हरी को सब चारों के लिए बहुत ही बढ़िया गोला उसे हवा में उछाला है रास्ते के बाद बहुत ही बढ़िया कर दिया 4 रन के लिए pulled by Dinesh Kothur.
Yes. Hard shot.
The 11th Monte Music Festival 2013, organized by Fundação Orient and Cidade de Goa, has begun from Friday. Music Fest will culminate on Sunday, 3rd February. The festival is held at the Chapel of Our Lady of Mount, Old Goa. We leave you on this marvelous fusion by Sonia Shirsat and Praveen Gaonkar. Enjoy the Fado Raga and keep watching Prudent.
Jamais devia cantar. Quem pelo amor na vida jamais devia cantar. Quando regressou ao ninho, ele que nem sabia. Ai, quando regressou ao ninho, ele que nem sabia.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.